your company is ready?
So yeah, we are Ready Computer Corporation. We build very easy to build, fun, portable computer kits. It allows you to take any single board computer like a Raspberry Pi or a 4x4 motherboard and turn it into a fully functioning portable computer. We include everything from the keyboard, RGB, mechanical. You can customize it with the switches you like, with the keycaps you like. You can get the feel that you like. You can configure it how you like. You can put animations or special colors. We have a touch screen, which can be function as a secondary screen or as a primary screen. I don't think he's enabled the touchscreen. It's just one extra cable. So basically what happens is every single board on there uses standard connectors. So everything that you want to do, you don't need a soldering tool, you don't need to be some sort of computer engineering expert. With a small screwdriver, you're able to put everything together. So on the back, you can configure the ports if you need lots of USB or if you need lots of HDMI or that sort of thing. Anything that you want to do with a computer that has specialty needs, maybe special antennas or special connectors, or you have a special circuit board that does a cool feature, like maybe it's useful for AI, you can now fit it inside our enclosure. So it allows people who are very technically minded and have exactly what it is that they want out of a computer, this thing will let them do it.
I see. So the back side has connectors?
Yeah, so on the back side here, it looks like a rack mount.
Okay.
So it's the industry standard D-type connectors. It also supports what's called Keystone Adapters, which these are very inexpensive methods to connect to a computer. And they're very inexpensive. You can get some of these connectors all from Amazon for only a couple of dollars. But the idea is that when it breaks, or if it breaks, it's very easy for the user to fix it. You don't have to take it back to me or mail it off to a service center. You can order just a couple things from Amazon and fix it yourself in a course of an hour.
So, is this one Raspberry Pi or?
So this one's actually a 4x4 motherboard. It's produced by Sapphire.
Nano ITX or
Pardon?
Smaller?
It's smaller. It's a little bit smaller. You could probably fit a micro ATX card in there, but this is a Ryzen V1000 series, so it actually has built-in graphics. We also do have access to the new Ryzen V2000 embedded system board, which is a very new board. So it's like you can very easily create yourself a $2,000 laptop for maybe 2/3 or half the price, and then as you need a new system in a couple of years, it's easy to upgrade. You don't have to buy a whole new system all over again.
I see. So is this main?
So that's our LCD PCB. This is one of the components. It allows you to power it through normal USB-C. The touchscreen interface is also done by USB-C, and then the input is just a standard HDMI connector. So you don't need special cables from us. You don't need anything proprietary. You use just the stuff that you either got at home already or stuff easily found on eBay or Amazon.
So this board is also provided by you.
Yeah, so we do provide that board. That board comes with the enclosure system, but of course if someone else has a different board that they purchased maybe from Alibaba or something like that, we don't want to prevent people from using. We want to allow them to use it.
Usually if I want to build this kind of thing, I have to buy a LCD controller.
That's right. You would have to put all of those components together. So we wanted to do it in a way that would be better suited for this type of machine, because look, there are lots of components out there. Like you can find a display controller board for that, but it's going to be coming with a really long ribbon cable. The mounting pattern is going to be all weird. It's very easy to damage it. So we wanted to make something that was more robust, with thicker circuit boards, higher quality. So if someone just wants to buy the base system from us and source the components, they're able to do that. But if they want to get it from us, then they can be certain that they're getting something that we've experimented with, worked really hard to build, and that we stand behind.
How is the thermal solution like?
Pardon?
Thermal solution? Is it like has a fan, external fan?
So it depends. So we do sell a module that attaches to the back that adds a fan. But a lot of the boards, like the board that's in here now, has a built-in heatsink and fan.
Oh, I see.
So on the bottom, we do have a plate that we're developing that allows for maximum airflow and for different mounting patterns. So that will ensure that there is a good amount of healthy airflow, because some of those systems can still get quite hot.
Are they already in the production?
Yeah, so we did a Kickstarter early last year,
really?
And we produced we're just wrapping up production of our first 1,000 units. So the remainder of our inventory is available on our website if someone really wants to get one, and I'm sure by just looking at it, there's a number of people who would be very excited.
1,000 units already sold?
So we've sold about half of our inventory, so about 500 units. So we still have about 400 to 500 units available for people to get in on. We are also developing a large number of accessories and add-ons to further expand and further develop this product. And as we go forward, we plan on having the version 2, the Mark II, and the people who invested in us with the Mark I will be able to upgrade that as well. So we really want a long-term relationship with our customers.
Okay. So what are the components you make? This case?
So yeah, we produce the case in Canada. The LCD is produced a combination of European and Chinese chips with production facilities in Asia. But it's really very much of an international product. There's components and bits and pieces from all over the place, which is nice. But we were very proud to be able to build most of the enclosure itself in Canada. Canada has a large access to aluminum, which is what this is made out of, just so you have that lightweight ability, but made out of metal.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. It looks interesting. Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's something, a little bit of something for everybody, and we wanted to have a little bit of flash and visual appeal.
What people mainly you put it in? Like Raspberry Pi or?
I would say most people probably pick a Raspberry Pi simply because they're a very affordable platform to start embedded computing. But there are some people who really want the performance. So definitely. People are very excited about the higher end built-in graphics boards, but people who want to go into a very more of a slower approach or something they feel will get a lot more support because the Raspberry Pi is so popular, that's the number one choice for them.
I see. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.